welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use InVideo AI for YouTube automation and create a more efficient workflow for producing videos consistently. First, open InVideo AI and sign in to your account. Before creating a video, decide on your YouTube niche and the type of content you want to publish regularly. Start by choosing a specific topic for your video. A focused topic makes it easier to create useful content and maintain a consistent channel style. Next, prepare a detailed prompt for InVideo AI. Include the topic, target audience, tone, video structure, important points, and the type of visuals you want. You can ask the AI to create a strong introduction, organized sections, supporting visuals, natural narration, and a clear conclusion. Once your prompt is ready, generate the first version of the video. When it's complete, preview the entire project instead of publishing it immediately. Start by checking the script. Make sure the information is accurate, original, and useful for your audience. Remove repetitive or unnecessary sections. Next, review the visuals in every scene. Make sure the footage and images actually match the narration. Now check the AI voiceover. Choose a consistent voice for your channel and make sure the narration sounds natural and easy to understand. You can also review subtitles, on-screen text, and background
Do I have
music.
to ask
Keep
AI
these
to do
elements
our jobs
consistent
now?
across your videos so your channel has a recognizable style. Next, check
That's
the
not
pacing and structure.
Forget it.
Everybody talks about
Make sure the introduction gets
ChatGPT,
to the
this,
topic
Claude,
quickly.
that.
The main
but it can
content is organized clearly, and the ending gives viewers a useful takeaway. You can create a repeatable workflow by using a similar process for every video. Choose the topic, prepare the prompt, generate the video, review the script, improve the visuals, adjust the voiceover.